Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew back again with another watch list. Hopefully you enjoyed your Monday trading. It was definitely an eventful one with the early market sell-off and then the grind back up for the rest of the day. So like we normally do, we're going to start with a review, and we're first going to talk about NIO, which was the star of the show today because of how well it bounced off of this bottom support level and it broke through our resistance. So now I think NIO is going to be headed towards the low 50s to mid 50s this week, and hopefully by NIO Day, which is January 9th, it can actually break all-time high, which is what I'm expecting. I think we're going to start to get some more volume here once we get closer and closer to that day and it starts building up the hype. But as long as we hold 48.3, we're definitely going to test the low to mid 50s. And Beyond Meat from our last watch list is barely holding this bottom trend line here, but is still holding. So as long as we can hold this, then I would like to see a bounce up tomorrow. And if we don't see that, then the play is going to be invalidated. So make sure you keep this as your stop loss. Make sure you get your confirmation. And if we do hold, then we can expect to see 145 again this week. And my favorite setup for today is going to be NVIDIA. As you can see here, we held this bottom trend line extremely well today, even after the morning sell-off with the broad market. But we do have to clear this downtrending line that's been holding us down right here since the 15th. But once we clear that, we definitely have a really good shot at going to 550, and then after 550 we can definitely see 573. There's not too much resistance going up here except for this 550 mark is definitely a big one. 573 is definitely a big one. But as long as we hold this bottom trend line here, which is not too far away from the entry right now, I think we're going to be really good. It's definitely a really good swing potential here. And you can definitely get your ideal entry near 520 as this is support. As you can see, it's bounced right around here, 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 here. So this is a really big support right here is 520. So that would definitely be your most ideal entry. And just some analysis on the overall market today. I'm actually not worried after the early morning sell-off because of how quickly we recovered. You can see these impulse candles right here and then the huge buying volume. So that's giving me some confidence that we're going to stay bullish here. As long as 3588 holds, I'm okay with that because that is the previous high back in September. So as long as that old resistance comes back and holds a support like it has already here and here, then I will be okay, and I'm still bullish on the market. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you like the charting, if you like the daily watch list, please make sure to subscribe. I'll be coming out with them every single day. I'll also be coming out with informational videos such as trading strategies, charting strategies, and stuff like that. So if you enjoy that type of stuff and you want to see that every day, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow.